Hello everyone. So in this video we will show a different kind of troubleshooting approach, like we're getting emails from Nagios XI that swap is critical, 0% free, 0 MB out of 0 MB, as no swap space has been assigned to the Nagios XI server. So for that, if I go to here, if I click on critical, you can see that localhost swap uses critical swap critical. So if I click on service, so swap is either disabled, not present, or of zero size. So how to resolve is how to add swap space. Just as a troubleshooting purpose, I'm going to show here. First of all, let me acknowledge this problem. So hostname localhost service swap usage, sticky acknowledgement, send notification, and problem has been acknowledged. Let me click on submit. So I have clicked on submit. If I refresh this localhost, if I click to service, and if I click on swap usage, so as you can see that an acknowledgement has been set, that problem has been acknowledged and we are working on it. So let me head back to my console, and if I do free minus G, I will able to see that only 1 GB of RAM is there and swap is 0, means no swap has been enabled. We can do swap on hyphen hyphen show as well. So as we can see that no swap has been added. So how to fix this? So also I need some space from the drive that I can assign to the swap memory. I can do ls blk. So I can see there is a 50 GB size of my drive is there, and I need to take only 2 GB out of it. So let me write the dd command, that is the duplicate data command. So how to write the command is simple, is dd if equals uh, dev device and 0, and output will be in new swap, and block size I need to mention it should be of 1 MB, and count equals 2048. So if stands for read from the file instead of standard input, which is deb 0, of meaning write to a file instead of standard output. Write everything about your virtual pages in this file. BS is read and write byte sizes, and count is total size of the file. So let me hit enter. So as you can see that 2048 plus 0 records in, 2048 plus 0 records out, and 2.1 GB copied, and these are the just the MB per second read and transfer of data. So let me do the chmod 600 to the new swap, or the that we just created, make swap, that is the new swap. Then we have get the UID. Next is the swap on new swap. So it's done. This free minus mh. You can see that 2 GB of swap that has been added here. Now I want to use this swap during startup as well, so I need to make this entry in etc fstab file as well. So I'll do vi etc fstab. So new swap, 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 defaults 0 and 0. W and Q, write and quit. So that we did. So it's done. And if I now do swap on hyphen hyphen show, I can see that new swap, that is type file 2 GB, has been the size. Used is 0 byte and priority is -2. So that's all in this video. And let me go to the Nagios XI, and you can see that swap is okay and we have resolved the alert. So as you can also see that swap usage and state is okay, and this is the URL. If you can click out here, it will show that problem is equal or something like that. So that's all in this video. Hope you like this video, and if you liked it, please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you. Thanks for watching.